A $50,000 camper that turns the Tesla Cybertruck into an RV has hit 80 million in pre-orders. We saw this in the past.
We talked about this, yes. But now it's coming into fruition.
Yeah, in the form of...
Mainly because of 80 million pre-orders. Or $80 million pre-orders.
It's funny how that works, isn't it?
Yeah.
80 million bucks, and all of a sudden you got a real thing going on. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's quite a few bucks.
I mean, I saw this article, and it's a little bit of an interview with the creator, and it's a nice kind of history of where they've been and pretty much what they're doing with this new Cybertruck camper endeavor.
Cyberlander, cool. It's called, right?
Yeah, I mean, they're just renders right now, but it has like a kitchen and it has a toilet, and shower, and it just looks kind of cool.
It's very cool. I think I have my concerns, obviously, as far as because it has this accordion design. It all pops up, and I guess it's motorized or something. Mm-hmm. I have my concerns, but if it works the way that they're showing it off, it is extremely cool. And then you got all kinds of people doing van life inside the Cybertruck, or just tailgating, just having a time. I might be a customer. I will have to buy this thing. If it turns out to be good. This. Well, if it turns out to be good, I would have to buy that thing.
Okay, yeah.
It's not as much. It seems like it's not as much as space as my current adventure van thing.
No, it seems kind of tight, but it's really high. They said it's going to be 11 feet, and it's going to be almost like 2 floors.
I'm really curious to see some real pictures of it. I presume they can go ahead and fabricate what would you call it? A mock-up or something like this.
Yeah,
because the renders are hard to really imagine in real life.
So right now, what they're having a problem with is they're not getting the specifications from Tesla themselves, right. So they have to guess exactly what size it should be.
But the bed, my problem is the bed is about 6 feet. So how can I lie down in there? If I need to lie down, I just don't understand where I don't have enough length there.
Yeah. I mean, you could go the other way, maybe this way.
No, because even that dimension's not enough. Not even close.
No,
that dimension's even more narrow.
Oh.
On a truck bed.
Well, I guess you have to scrunch up there.
I'm really quite curious here.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
I guess with the tail down, you can get another foot. So maybe it is enough. Maybe it gets to 7 feet because it all sits on top of the tail as well. Mm-hmm. A lot of questions here, but.
Yeah, I'm curious.
I mean, the thing is, you need a Cybertruck first, and those aren't going into production until 2022. Exactly. So I don't know. We got a lot of time to think about this.
We'll see.